London markets fell into negative territory Thursday, with banks weaker as the Bank of England spoke of a weaker growth due to Brexit, while pharmaceutical majors and beverage companies provided some support. Leading the downside were TUI PLC and advertising giant WPP PLC. How did markets perform? FTSE 100 UKX minus 0.40% fell 0.5% to 7,140.48, after finishing unchanged on Wednesday. The pound GBPUSD, 0.2165%, tumbled sharply to a session low of $1.2853 before rebounding to $1.2946 higher on the day and bouncing around amid comments from the Bank of England. What's driving the markets? The Bank of England left key interest rates unchanged, as expected, but warned of various factors weighing on the economy, saying growth appears weaker, and that Brexit uncertainties could lead to greater than usual short-term volatility in UK data, which may therefore provide less of a signal about the medium-term outlook. Banks fell across the FTSE 100, with Lloyds Banking Group plc LLOY, minus 1.04%, LYG, 0.00%, down 0.8%, and HSBC Holdings Group plc HSBC, minus 0.57%, HSBA, minus 0.54%, off 0.3%. Brexit developments were also in the spotlight. UK Prime Minister Theresa May was expected to return empty-handed from her Brussels trip. This not only because the EU has stated there is no room for further negotiations, but also in light of the scathing comments from Donald Tusk, President of the European Council. On Wednesday, he tweeted that, "There is a special place in hell for those who orchestrated Brexit without a plan." Read, just weeks to make a deal, what's next for Brexit? Which shares were active? Pharmaceutical stocks were up, with AstraZeneca plc AZN, 0.33%, adding 0.6%, and GlaxoSmithKline plc GSK, 1.06%, adding 1.5%. TUI plc TUI, minus 18.40%, tumbled 16% after it reportedly cut its earnings guidance for its fiscal full year late on Wednesday. The tour operators cited the hot summer and the weak pound as reasons why British customers weren't going on vacation. Away from the main index, Thomas Cook Group plc TCG, 9.91%, fell 0.8% after the British travel company announced that it had initiated a strategic review of its airline business. Advertising agency WPP minus 8.13%, tumbled 6% after its French rival reportedly Publicis Groupe Pub, minus 14.15%, swung into a revenue loss for the fourth quarter, far weaker than expected. Providing critical information for the U.S. trading day. Subscribe to MarketWatch's free Need to Know newsletter. Sign up here.